CarChipFix, your once and done solution for touch-up with precision. Hello, I'm TJ here at CarChipFix. Today, I'll be going over the contents of your professional auto paint touch-up kit. The hard case box has a heavy-duty foam insert with cutouts that securely holds and stores everything in our system. You'll find our instruction sheet inside the top lid of the hard case. It shows the easy-to-follow 3-step process on the front, and on the reverse side we have more details and helpful tips on the use and care of your CarChipFix kit. Here, you'll find our QR code that you can scan with your phone, and it will direct you to our quick start tutorial videos on our website. The kit comes with a half-ounce bottle of paint, ready to use straight out of the kit. You can order it in any of our 5 universal colors or your OEM color. Our universal colors are red, silver metallic, gray metallic, black, and white. If you need a different color or prefer a specific OEM paint color, visit our website at CarChipFix.com and click on the tab, Find My OEM Color Code. At the heart of our touch-up paint system is a unique FlowPen. It is crafted from a high grade of stainless steel and is designed to precisely deliver a tiny amount of paint into the chip or scratched area. Fine control of the tip is provided by the non-slip finger grips on the handle. To protect the fine tip, we have included a protected PVC cap. To assure the FlowPen's optimal performance, it is essential that it is thoroughly cleaned prior to storage. This is done by using the multi-use solution with the cleaning pin and the cleaning brush. We have a 4-ounce bottle of our specially formulated multi-use solution. This is used to prepare the surface for painting chips and scratches, for maintaining the paint's viscosity during use, and for cleaning the FlowPen when you're finished painting. Our CarChipFix touch-up paint and multi-use solution have been formulated to work together, and when combined with the FlowPen will produce the very best touch-up results. Other products are not compatible with our system and should not be used. Click on the link below to view our 3-step CarChipFix touch-up paint process to see the results. For more information about paint repair and answers to your frequently asked questions, visit our website at CarChipFix.com. CarChipFix, your once and done solution for touch-up with precision.